What is this? I wish I knew. Red, I think you're 13 in this show? Act your age! You're not supposed to be acting like a little baby scared of your own shadow. Oh my! What is this? Oh! There's no Weenie!
You're alive!
Of course we are.
We've got to get out of here!
What? And this the show?
The show?
Show?
Just look, dummy.
What? Is that rock music? It's a rock concert! Yeah! Yeah, baby!
I don't know, but I kind of love it.
Yeah!
Hear the tormented screams of a disgruntled and misunderstood beast.
Oh, yeah.
Brenda? Whoa! Wow! No way! I didn't know Brenda was a rock star! Woo! Yeah, baby! Now this is my kind of music! Mine too! Let's rock, baby! Whoa, Victor! I didn't know rocking was your passion. It was when I was 12. It still is to this day. Well, I know rocking is my passion. I mean, come on, I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. We know Cobalt.
I really thought we were going to find the Halloween.
Oh no! Villains!
There they are!
Run! Run and hide! Ha-ha! Hurry and run! Oh. Oh, okay, that's not right.
Wait, over there!
Huh? What? Oh. They're everywhere!
Try to blend in.
Blend in? How? Oh, whoa. Whoa! Oh, wow! Cool!
Guys, we don't have time for this.
Oh.
Sweet deal.
Oh.
Guess you already fit in. Check over there.
Split up.
Run and hide!
I give up.
Haha, it worked! Oh no!
Nice try.
Run, Red! Run! Run! Stop calling him Rod! It's Red! Run! Run! Oh! Uh-oh. Oops. Not good. Oh no.
You have to sing.
Sing? Red can't sing. Come on, Red, be brave.
Now, this ought to be good.
Come on, Red. Bird up.
It was a monster.
Huh?
It's my fear I gotta conquer. And now I'm at a concert.
I don't believe it. He's singing. I had no idea Red could sing. Dang, look at him go. Whoa, look at Red rock out. Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo! Ha! Oh my goodness, Red. Uh-oh. Better move out, Red.
Gotta go.
Run, Red. Woo! Let's move out. Ha ha! Woo! That's so rocked.
Am I going completely bonkers, or are you back here without Red again?
Oh, he's deaf now.
What? I can't hear a word you're saying.
were punks and spiky hair and someone on stage that looked a lot like Brenda.
I don't want excuses. I want results. If you don't come back with red, I'm taking your badges.
Well, we never gave them badges.
But you never actually gave us our badges.
Oh, didn't I? Terribly sorry.
No, you're not.
No. No badges for you.
Listen to them crying like little spoiled brats, which they are.
Hey, you okay?
It's just, I'm starting to think I'm never gonna meet the Hollow Weenie.
And Red's gonna get kicked out of camp.
Yeah, that too.
Ugh. You care more about that stupid Weenie than about Red. Well, remember, in this show, Chuck is a bona fide idiot.
And am I the only one who suddenly has a really bad feeling about this?
Look, the Hollow Weenie is probably in that super weird and creepy cave.
Oh.
Oh, you guys don't have to try and cheer me up. Chuck, even if we never find the Hollow Weenie, you taught me a really great lesson tonight. I did? I've been afraid of the Hollow Weenie since I was a hatchling, but I've learned if you face your fear, it's never as scary as you think it's gonna be.
Exactly.
The worst part of being afraid is
It's
being
a very
afraid,
valuable lesson
which
to
is why
learn.
I'm doing this.
Red! And he's gonna run straight out of the cave. Yep, I called it. Huh? Wait a minute. Oh my god, it's the Halloween! He's real! And of course, Chuck sees it as a good thing. Oh, Chuck!
To bother you, but I need you to sign this confession proving Red's innocence.
Not now, you butt for brains! Literally.
Wait, can I also get a quick selfie with you?
Not a good time, Chuck.
Where are you
Wait!
guys?
No! Oh, great, they caught him!
Come on,
That's
Robert.
not
You've
great!
got a one-way ticket to Outta Heresville.
No time, meter jerk. The Hollow Weenie is right on our tail feathers.
Oh, please. You think I'm gonna fall for that? I'm the one who hollowed out the Weenie. Jerk.
You did this!
And now you're gonna get kicked out of camp. And I'm gonna laugh and laugh and
You
laugh.
evil monster!
Wait! You're going to miss my glorious victory.
No badge is worth this.
Hey,
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this! The Halloweenie's gonna rip you to pieces, Neater Jerk! And I'm gonna enjoy every second of it. Whoa! Oh! Oh boy, I'm gonna enjoy it too, Vic. Yeah! Tear him up! Oh, sweet, sweet justice! Yeah! I actually agree with Victor and Cobalt on this. Oh, my word! I never thought I'd... Huh? Red?
No idea.
Red, what the hey? He's trying to get you kicked out of camp and you're trying to save him? Has your mind cracked again? Oh! And he's just bouncing all over the place. Just like a rubber ball.
I could bring you some hatchlings. They're way more delicious.
Oh,
than I am.
you! Easy, Bluebelle.
Hey, meter flyer. I can get you out of here.
Anything.
Just sign this confession.
Ha ha ha!
Chuck, time to get yourself.
Oh, wow. What the? Hey, his eyes! They're not glowing anymore!
Alright, give me a weenie, babe.
What the? Did he just domesticate it? And the domestication's over. Run! Run away! He's like, nah, I give up.
After last night, I really couldn't handle another fire circle.
Yeah, this is actually kind of fun.
I told you.
Plus, what's more entertaining than watching meter flyers squirm?
Ha!
At least we finally got our badges.
That says janitor.
Awesome.
Ha! Oh!
Boy, I guess Banana really had to split.
He also had to leave in a hurry.
Ha ha ha. Silly kid show humor.
And that, my friends, is the tale of how I met my new BFF, Cornelius.
Cornelius? Oh, of course, it's the name of the weenie. What the?
Weenie Babe!
Oh my gosh. Well, Chuck finally got what he wanted. Yep, to meet the Halloweenie. Unbelievable he didn't die from the experience. And it's also unbelievable that he domesticated that monster. That is a little strange, I'll admit. Anyway, what a day to celebrate. What an episode to celebrate Halloween and see Niederflyer get his just desserts. Yep, that's true. Nothing better than seeing villains being brought to justice. Though I still think it would have been better if they took him to jail. Well, Bluebelle, sadly this is where we part again. I know, but don't forget, I'll be back when Christmas comes. Oh yeah, then we can all come together to watch the very last episode, which just happens to be about Christmas after all. That's true. In the meantime, I hope you all enjoyed this as much as we did. Yeah, this has been Bluebelle, Cobalt, Iris, Victor, Summer, Paige, Adam, Autumn, Randy the raccoon, and Reba the red squirrel. Saying goodbye for now, YouTube fans. Have a safe and happy Halloween, everyone. Goodbye for now. See ya, Bluebelle. And she's gone to heaven again. Happy Halloween, folks.